We're going to let P represent the statement, I watched the show Westworld, and Q is the statement, I watched the show Downton Abbey. And we're going to translate each statement from symbols to words. Okay. So the first one, P conjunction Q, or P and Q, would be, I watched the show Westworld, and I watched the show Downton Abbey. Or any conceivable reinterpretation of the sentence. Like you could say, I watched the shows Westworld and Downton Abbey. Totally fine. As we discussed with our very first example in this chapter. Next one, we have P or not Q. So P would say, I watched the show Westworld. There's an R in there somewhere. I will put it here right on top of the O. Oh my gosh. We got an or for the disjunction. And we have a not Q. I do not watch the show Downton Abbey. Great. Now the next two are a little bit icky sticky because we have a negation outside of a parentheses. Now we could avoid that by rewriting it using those de Moivre's rules that we have yet to really formally learn. But we did actually do them already in the Tom example and the Mary example, if you want to go back to those. Or we could just treat it directly as it is. And the way you get around that, you can just say, it is not true that. So for example, C would be, it is not the case that. So that takes care of the negation in the front there. And now we take care of the rest. I watch Westworld. Oh, I did it again. It's like I don't know how to spell. I don't know how to spell. Westworld or Downton Abbey. It is not the case that I watch Westworld or Downton Abbey. That's fine. And in part D, as you can imagine, we can start again with it is not the case, or it is not true that. I watch the show. The shows, I'm going to combine them this time. I watch the shows. Oh, I went the wrong order. Scratch out Westworld. See, I got the R this time. And Downton Abbey. Oh, no. No one cares about orientation. Boop. All right, very good. As it turns out, that was a good mistake to make by putting Downton Abbey first. P and Q is the same thing as Q and P. P or Q is the same thing as Q or P. Peanut butter and jelly is the same thing as jelly and peanut butter. Soup or salad is the same thing as salad or soup. We might prefer the order to be a certain way because of the way it sounds, but otherwise you're saying the exact same thing.